Hello all. I installed this Rheem Gladiator 50-gallon electric water heater myself. Uh, I was pretty successful. It was not difficult. It was easy. So I wanted to give you the brief summary of what I did. There was a old water heater below. Uh, Basically, I had to remove it. That was the tough part. You see, it's outside there. And then after removing it, I had to clean up the down. Basically, it is a manufactured home. Its pan was rotten. I had to replace the panel, put a new board there, and then I did some drywall finishing and all those stuff. That's the side thing. Once I did that, which took a lot of time, including putting joint and all those stuff. After doing that, I brought this pan. I bought this pan separately, the bottom pan, what you're seeing, and I connected the 1-inch pipe with the elbow to for this overflow water. So after doing that, I basically just unpacked the water heater from that box what you're seeing, and then I brought it here. Basically it didn't take much time. It is not so heavy. I was able to roll it carefully and bring it here, and then I installed. While installing, I just brought it here, okay, and then I preferred this particular direction, okay, so that it will minimize the walking space. So after I brought it and settled this water heater here, I connected the hot outgoing water to the outgoing water supply, okay, here, and then the incoming cold water I connected here. I just use a wrench, okay, basically um, the Teflon tape, and then I use the wrench, and then I basically reconnected the cold and the hot pipes. After connecting, Rheem also provides you with the outgoing for the outgoing hot pipe. It provides this insulation covering. So I put this insulation covering. Okay, it comes with Rheem only, and then I just let the water fill the tank. Okay, I turned on the valve here. Okay, it has the valve, inlet valve. This is the valve here in my home here. After turning on, I just observed for the tank to fill, and then I turned on the taps also, hot water taps. A lot of air came out, and then it is stable. I waited for some time to see there are any leaks. Okay, so there were no leaks. And then here's the old wiring, right? Obviously I turned on the main switch. Most important thing, the first thing is you have to locate where is your water heater and turn off the main switch. After turning off, I use this testing tool. I use this testing tool to make sure there is no power. Okay, now there is power because it's already connected. Okay, this is very very useful voltage tester. So after making sure there is no power here, I wore the gloves, and then without touching the wires in the hand, I connected using these connectors. I connected to the respective wires. The Rheem water heater comes with red and black. Okay, the white wire I connected to the red, and then the black wire to the black, and then there is a grounding copper uninsulated wire, which is the grounding wire. I connected to the green screw here. It's not visible clearly because I've done extra insulation. Now once I connected all these three wires, I have done extra wrapping here, okay, just for extra protection. Once I did that, I turned on the power supply. Okay, after turning on, all I had to do was go to this panel and then press this particular right arrow button. Here there's a right arrow button. I just pressed it, and then I have to select this temperature. I selected just 110 degree Fahrenheit. Now it is still boiling the water, heating to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Maybe it's been, I think, 15 minutes, maybe another 15 minutes it will be done. Now that's it. The water heater is installed. Okay, and then I'm just waiting for hot water. Okay, so this was pretty easy install. It didn't take much time for installing. Anyways, the pre-setup, cleaning, putting the new foot, replacing the board took time, but installing was not so complicated. Very easy, do it yourself. The same thing to get installed by the technicians. They charge $1,500. So if you could do it yourself, it'll be better. Okay, do it carefully. I'm an engineer, so I did it myself. Other folks, right? I mean, don't take, um, if you have enough money, I mean, you could pay the technician. Okay, that way he will get some work done. So this was a video I wanted to show for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Okay, thank you. I hope you like this video and it might be useful. Bye.